Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video, and I'd like to welcome you all. On this channel we share apps that can help you secure your internet connection and add an extra layer of protection while browsing online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN app that is available on the Google Play Store. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Alinaj VPN. From the search results, select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup. If you're new to the channel, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. When you reach the app's home screen, you'll need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the menu icon at the top and select Online Update. This allows the app to update its resources so it can work properly. After updating, tap on the Add Time option to increase your connection time. This step is important because the app may stop working when the time runs out. Next, choose a server. For this guide, I recommend selecting the Auto Server option. This helps the app automatically connect to the best server available in your location. After that, select the connection method. I recommend choosing the All Country UDP option because it is fast and works in most countries that support UDP. If this option doesn't work for you, you can manually select your country from the list. Finally, tap on the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet connection will be secured. That's how you can set up Alinaj VPN to enjoy a fast and secure connection while browsing online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.